So with the release of the assistants, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how you can use the LinkedIn boost with your LinkedIn profile. So this is one of the ones I activated yesterday, and I hadn't fully read the description to appreciate what it did, and it actually helps you optimize your LinkedIn profile. So how do you do that? Well, first you'll need to come to the community, and if you haven't already, clone LinkedIn boost, and then that will appear in your personal section, and just click use, and you'll know it's in use because you'll see the little avatar down here. In order for it to understand your profile, you can't just give it a link. It will tell you it can't read that link. You'll need to provide it in a PDF, and really handily it gives you the instructions. But just to quickly cover it, you'll go to your profile. So here's my profile. Feel free to connect with me if you're on LinkedIn, and then just click this more section and say save to PDF. And then once you've got that downloaded, you come to your select documents, and you'll need to upload that PDF and make sure it's checked. Make sure you've got that selected. So that's your profile document. And then you can ask it to analyze your profile and give it a little wait. And what it returns is a very cool set of basically it's like a grading almost. So it's telling me that my headline's good, it's saying my summary's good, so this is all really valuable to me to know that I'm getting it right. It's gone through the experience, it's sales endorsement certifications, honours and awards, and then it lists some additional observations which are super helpful and suggestions for improvements. So I scored, not that it gives a score, but I did very well. I was very pleased with my profile, and I've actually just, little self-plug time, I have put together a book on how to turn your profile into a sales landing page. So I will link to that if you want to pick up a copy. I've done it dirt cheap, and that just helps support me if you found these videos useful. Otherwise, it's pretty self-explanatory when you go through. You can then implement these suggestions, and you could rerun it. But I can also see this feature being quite handy if you're working with clients. You could run their profile through this, and boom, there's your report, and you can help them then implement the changes so that they get a better connection rate or conversion rate on their profile. How are you guys finding the assistants? Which one would you like to learn more about? Let me know in the comments below.